Now, if the standard equation of the line is given and you want to find the slope of line or intercepts made by the line, how to find it? Let's derive some rule or method to find it. We know that the standard equation of the line is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. And if you want to find the slope of the line, just convert it into slope-intercept form. Convert the given equation to slope-intercept form. So let's start. Send this a, x and c term to the right hand side. What I will get? dy equals to minus ax minus c. Now divide by b to the equation. What I will get? Y equals to, let's do all the steps. This bb will cancel. What I will get? by equals to. Now separate this b to the both terms. What I will get? Minus a by b x minus c by. I can write it as minus a by b x plus of minus c by b. Here if I compare this equation with my standard equation of the line in slope-intercept form, what I will get? My m will be minus a by b. Right? Here my m, that is the slope of the line, is minus a upon b, and the y-intercept of the line is minus c by b. Here this capital C is representing y-intercept and this c is representing the constant of the line, constant of the equation of the line, right? Standard equations. Right? Okay, so just remember this, how to find the slope of the line. Or in one shot, if, like for example, 2x plus 3y plus 9 is given. If I want to find the slope of line, what I will do? I know I have to shift this to the right hand side. It will be minus 2 and divide by 3. This will be my slope. Or you can perform all these steps. Just remember the formula: minus a by b is your slope, minus c by b is your y-intercept. Generally, we need to find the slope only, but in some cases we also need to find y-intercept, x-intercept. See, in this way you can find y-intercept. Right? Got this? Now converting the given equation in double intercept form. How to convert? Let's suppose the standard equation is given as ax plus by plus c. Right? What you will do? Just send this constant to the right hand side. What I will get? Ax plus by equals to minus c. Right? Now divide by minus c. What I will get? Ax plus by upon minus c equals to minus c upon minus c. Here minus c will get cancelled and I will get 1. Now separate this. What I will get? A upon minus cx plus b upon minus cy. Right? Now can I write it as x upon minus cy? Right? Because the reciprocal of this will be a by c plus y upon minus c by b equals to 1. Here we have converted the standard equation of the line in the double intercept form. This is my double intercept form. Here the x-intercept will be minus c by a and y-intercept will be my minus c by b. So in this way you can easily find double intercepts, that is x-intercept and y-intercept of any line. Right? Or the second method, what you can do, just put y equals to 0 to find x-intercept, because we know that x-intercept is of the form a comma 0. If I put y0, I will get a, that is x-intercept. Just put a comma 0 into the given equation, put a as x and at the place of y put 0. You will get a, that is x-intercept. Similarly, to find the y-intercept, I have to put 0 comma b into the given equation. and I will get the B, which is my y-intercept of the line, right? So this will be easy, or you can do this also, right? Let's have some example. Here the question is, find the slope of intercepts made by the following lines. Find the slope and intercepts made by these lines. As we have seen, I will solve first question, x plus y plus 10 equals to 0. Just convert it into the slope intercept form. What I have to take? Do y equals to minus x minus 10. Comparing it with standard equation of line in slope intercept form. Comparing, right? What I will get? My m will be minus 1. That is, I got my slope. And y-intercept is minus 10. Right? So in this way you can solve any of these questions. Let's quickly solve the second one also. 2x plus y plus 30 equals to 0. Just send all the terms to the right hand side except y. Comparing this with standard equation of line and slope point form. My slope will be minus 2 and comparing it with slope intercept form. My slope will be minus 2 and c will be minus 20, right? Similarly, by only seeing the question, you can directly tell the intercept. For the C option, what will be the slope? Minus 1 upon 3. And y-intercept will be 15 upon 3, that is 5. Right? So, do the practice. You should not be doing these steps in exams, right? To find the slope, right? But in earlier stage, you have to practice on all the steps, right? After having 5-6 questions, at least 5-6 questions of practice, you can easily directly find the slope of line and y-intercept of the line. Now next question. The second question is, find the acute angle between the following pair of lines. Here the two lines are given. We know if the two lines are making an angle of theta, we can find it by using the formula tan theta equals to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into m2 formula, right? Here I should know slope of line 1 and slope of line 2, that is m2, right? So in that way I can find the tan theta, and after finding the tan theta I can easily find theta, right? So here first we should know, or we should be able to find the slope of the lines. We have seen just now how to find the slope. So the slope of first line will be, send it to the right hand side, that is minus 4y equals to minus 12x plus 5. Divide by minus 4, what I will get? Minus 12 by minus 4x. 4 3s are, what I will get? 3x plus 5 upon minus 4. This will be my slope, because after comparing it with slope intercept form, my m will be 3. So the slope of first line m1 is my 3, right? Similar step perform on second equation to find the slope of line. Just send in this 2y will be equals to minus 4x plus 7, divide by 2, what I will get? Minus 2x plus 7 by 2. Compare with the standard equation of the line in slope intercept form. What I will get? My slope m2 will be as equals to minus 2. So here my m2 is minus 2. Just put these values to the formula and solve. What it will be? Let's start. m1 is 3 minus m2 is minus 2 upon 1 plus 3 into minus 2. We should have a mod, because we are going to find the acute angle, right? Here what I will get? 3 minus minus 2 will be my 3 plus 2. Tan theta equals to mod of 3 plus 2 upon 1. 3 into minus 2 minus 6. What I will get? 5 upon minus 5, it will be minus 1, 5 on the 5, 5 on the 5. Mod of minus 1 will be 1, tan theta equals to 1. So which acute angle, after taking its tan will give me 1, it will be pi by 4, right? Tan pi by 4 is 1. So the acute angle between these two lines is pi by 4. I have a note. Next question. Here in the third question, what we have to here we have to show the following pair of lines are perpendicular to each other. That means I have to show m1 into m2 equals to minus 1. This m1 is the slope of first line and the m2 is the slope of second line. If the product of the slopes of two lines is equals to minus 1, then they are perpendicular. If the slopes are equal, then they are parallel. So in this type of question where we have to show or check the angle between them, we can find first, we can apply the formula to find the angle, or if it is in MCQ, we will first check this, that is the slope. After finding the slope, we can directly check if the slopes are equal, angle is 0 because they are parallel. If the slopes product is minus 1, that means the angle between those two lines is 90 degree because they are perpendicular. So the same formula or same properties we will be using repeatedly, right? So have note of it. Here I have to find the slope of, I'll solve the first question, second will be homework for you. How to find? Just minus 4y equals to minus 2x plus 5. Divide by minus 4, what I will get? 1 by 2x. Comparing it with standard equation of line in slope intercept form, my slope will be 1 by 2. So m1 I got as 1 by 2. Now I have to find m2. Just find m2. Convert the given second equation into slope intercept form. Let's start. From second equation, what I will get? Y equals to minus 2x plus 17. I have shifted this x term to the right hand side. Here just compare it with standard equation of the line in slope intercept form. What I will get? My slope as m2 as minus 2. Here if I make m1 into m2 equals to 1 by 2 into minus 2, which will be minus 1, right? So this is, as this product of slope is minus 1, that means these two lines are perpendicular. You can write this in wording form if the question is in your boards, right? Next. Now the next question. Find the equation of the line which passes through the origin and makes an angle of 45 degree with the line 3x minus y equals to 6. Here let's suppose this is my y axis, this is my x axis. Right. Let's suppose the line whose equation is given, that is 3x minus y equals to 6, line is this, right? This is my equation, 3x minus y equals to 6. Let's suppose a second line is passing through origin. Right. This is my line. And this line is making angle 45 degree with this line, right? And I have to find the angle of equation of this line L. Here I know as it is passing through origin, its equation will be of the form y equals to mx. That means I have to just find slope of line L. If I am able to find the slope of line L, I'll put it into this and I can easily get the equation of the line. How to find the slope? Here, as the line L is making an angle with this line is also given, I can also find the slope of this line. I will apply the formula tan theta equals to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Let's suppose the slope of line L that we have to find is m1 and the slope of m2 is, slope m2 will be of slope of this line, right? So how to find the slope of this line? It will be 3. Just apply previous step that we have seen. As I know m2, This will be my theta because this is the angle between these two lines, right? Just put the values, I will get m1. Now I will start. Tan 45 degree will be my equals to mod of m1 minus, what is the value of m2? It is 3 upon 1 plus m1 into 3, right? What is the value of 45 degree? Tan 45 degree, it is 1 equals to m1 minus 3 upon 1 plus 3 m1. As I want to remove this mod, always take plus minus sign. For the sake of simplicity, I will put plus minus to the left hand side, right? Take a screenshot. I am going to erase this. Okay. So what I will have, I'll solve here. Plus minus 1 equals to m1 minus 3 upon 1 plus 3 m1. So here I have to solve the two equations. One by taking plus 1 and second by taking minus 1. Here, so I'll have two equations of the line because I will get two slopes. So I'll keep it to you as an homework. Just find m1 and m1 for this condition and m1 for this condition, right? After finding the slope, you will have two lines. First for first slope and the second for the second equation for the second slope. Right? There will be two equations. Why there will be two equations? Because if I extend this, there might be any other equation of a line, that is any other line which is making an angle of 45 degree in this way. This is a rough diagram, that's why it is not exactly 45 degree. I have just draw a rough diagram, right? So just find m1 and find the equation of the line, these two lines, and put in comment. So I'll get how much you are concentrating in class and doing the homework which I am giving, right? So it will motivate me to make more videos. Next question. Here, a line is parallel to the line 2x plus y equals to 7 and passes through the origin. Find its equation. Here, that means line is parallel and also passing through origin. Here, for example, this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis. Line is passing through origin. So the equation I have to find, I'll name it as L, and this line is parallel to this line. So the equation is given. Let's suppose we'll draw a line like this. So here, this line L, whose equation as 2x plus y equals to 7 is parallel to this line, right? If the two lines are parallel, that means I am able to find the slope of line L1, right? Because if the two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. What is the slope of this line? Slope of this line will be minus 2. M2 will be my minus 2 for this line. So the M1 for line L1 will be my minus 2, that is same. Right? The slope of line 1 and line 2 is minus 2. And as line 1 is passing through origin, its general form will be y equals to mx. Just put the value of slope minus 2x. Take it to the left hand side. What I will get 2x plus y equals to 0. So this is the equation of the line which is parallel to this and passing through origin. Right? Have a note.